In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert currencies in Google Sheets using the Google Finance function. This powerful tool allows you to access real-time exchange rates, which can be incredibly useful for anyone who needs to track or convert different currencies for work, travel, or even personal projects. Plus, the integration with Google Sheets means you can keep your data organized and easily updated just by using a few simple formulas. To kick things off, let's talk about the basic currency conversion formula that Google Sheets offers. By using the Google Finance function, you can pull the current exchange rate between two currencies. The formula format is as follows: X Google Finance currency USD. What this formula does is fetch the current exchange rate from the US dollar to the euro, giving you real-time data right in your spreadsheet. Now suppose you're interested in converting a specific amount rather than just checking the exchange rate. In that case, you can multiply the exchange rate by the amount you want to convert. For example, if you want to find out how much 100 US dollars is worth in euros, you would use the formula equal 100 Google Finance currency USD. Entering this formula into a cell in your Google Sheet will immediately return the euro equivalent of 100 USD, providing you with an instant conversion. But what if you want to make your currency conversions even more dynamic? Well, Google Sheets can handle that too. To create a more flexible currency converter, you can use cell references in your formula. For instance, if you have an amount in cell A2 that you want to convert from USD to EUR, you can use the formula equal Google Finance currency USD A2. Entering this into your sheet allows you to change the amount in cell A2, and the formula will automatically calculate the equivalent value in euros for any updated input, making it a handy tool for fluctuating currency conversion needs. By using these few formulas, you can set up your very own currency converter in Google Sheets, keeping your data updated and ready for any financial needs that may arise. The Google Finance function provides not just convenience, but true financial flexibility, allowing you to manage your currency data with ease and accuracy. As you work through these functions, you'll find that currency conversion is not only straightforward, but also incredibly effective for real-time financial tracking. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope these instructions empower you in your Google Sheets journeys. Whether for professional use or personal projects, the ability to convert currencies accurately is at your fingertips, all thanks to the expert functionality provided by Google Sheets and the Google Finance function. Happy calculating!